Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, I know what you are thinking. Artificial intelligence? Is that something only robots care about? Well, let me tell you. AI is not just for robots, it's for you too. Whether you are a coder, a designer, or someone who just likes to impress their friends with fancy words, AI is the next big thing you don't want to miss. Trust me, if you are not learning AI right now, you are like that person still using a flip phone in 2024. Sure, you are surviving, but you could be living your best tech life. So grab your laptop and let's talk about why AI is not just the future, but the right now. So now, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So let's talk about in the ChatGPT 3.5 what is the coding. Okay, so let's talk about it, and this is very beautiful video because this is a very demanding video in the ChatGPT. What is the coding? Let's talk about it, and this is our third last video for ChatGPT 3.5. Then we started ChatGPT 4. Okay, this is our third last video of our ChatGPT 3.5. So from then only the two videos will be left, and then we end the series of the ChatGPT 3.5 using ChatGPT 3.5 to write a code. Using ChatGPT 3.5 to write a code is like having one experienced program helping you. ChatGPT can save you a lot of time or coding if you know how to ask. Means that like you are building a one website, e-commerce website, and it is taking a much time. But ChatGPT can save you a lot of time coding if you know what you ask from ChatGPT, how to ask from it, so it give you the proper perfect answer. So let me talk about it. Define the task. First of all, you define the task. Before using a generative AI to help you, first of all, set up a clear goal for your code. First of all, create a one clear goal. Like my example goal is first, I create a one specific function. Number two, debug existing code. In general, clarity and context are important when you are using a generative AIs. But when you are using them to write a code, it is even more important. For example, you are write and you create a one function that counts down the number of days and hours until the next Saturday. Instead of make code to find a closest Saturday, choosing a programming language. To get even more specific, the programming language you need. If you are unuser of which program, unsure of which programming language to use, you can ask from ChatGPT. Like in this prompt, I write a ChatGPT, which programming language means what programming language should I use to create a one countdown to the next Saturday for a page. So in the diagram, it is giving me to create a countdown to the next Saturday for a web page. You can use JavaScript, a widely used programming language for web development. It gives me the JavaScript. So let me see which type of output it is giving me. So let me open my chatgpt.openai.com, and I am writing this prompt in my ChatGPT, and let's see the output of it. Now it is started giving me. Now let's see the output of it. Now it is giving me JavaScript. Here you can see why JavaScript and these all the things. Okay, so here you can see it, and why here's why you use the JavaScript and dot all the things. This is different. In diagram it is different, and here it's also be different. There is a differences. Now we can further clarify our tasks to create a JavaScript function that counts down the number of days and hours until the next Saturday. Ask ChatGPT for a help. Now we can use a ChatGPT to write our code. Imagine you have the following web page. This one, imagine you have this following web page. So in this page, I'm asking to ask ChatGPT to write a code. I'm saying for the following web page, I write my code. Then I say create a one JavaScript function that counts down the number of days and hours until the next Saturday. So in the diagram, it gives me this type of output. Here you can see it. But let me see how it is giving me. Then we test it also. Okay, I say create a one JavaScript function that counts down the number of days and hours until the next Saturday. So here you can see it has been created. It is creating it. Okay, it is giving me code very fastly. Okay, here you can see it, and then it is giving me the explanation also. Okay, here you can see it. It is giving the explanation also. So let's copy this code and let's run this code. So let me create a one window, and then I'm creating one file by the name of index.html, and then I'm making this file in my documents, and when I make this file and I'm pasting this code, save it, and then I'm not explaining you code, I'm just testing it. So why it is coming like this? Okay, let me create a one file index.html, and then I make this file, yes, and then paste, save, and then come on it here and then run. So the weekend is only 5 days and 1 hours from now. Here you can see it start to giving it 5 days and 1 hours from now. Here you can see it. Like that you can do it very easily, yes. You can test it. Now, here you can see there's one example code. In this code, I am saying to the ChatGPT, it works, okay? It is working, okay? Here you can see it is working. It is giving me the weekend is only 5 days and 1 hours from now. It is all working, okay? Generally, it's working. Okay, so like that. Or if I say to the ChatGPT, not give me till Monday only. So then it is saying me, now it is adjusting it, you can see it. It is start to giving me. Okay, take a little bit time, okay. It take a little bit time, not any much time, only little bit. Okay, so now it has been giving you. Now let's copy this code and let's see. Let's come on it here and paste it. Save it and then run it. So you mean the weekend is only 0 days and 1 hours from now. It is giving me like this, okay. Now let's come down, where we are. Okay, so now we also test it. It works. Iterate and develop. You can keep working with ChatGPT to improve your code. Now I'm giving the ChatGPT add one code to display the weekend has landed instead of countdown if the day is Saturday. So this type of one prompt I'm giving the ChatGPT, and let's see the output of it. Now it is giving me here the updated code with the functionality to display the weekend has landed on Saturday instead of countdown. Okay, it is giving me the code. It fastly it is giving me the code. It's not taking a much more time. It is giving the code very fastly. Okay, here you can see it. Now it's telling me the key additions and all the things. Now save it and then run it. So it is giving me this type of an output. Here you can see it. So like that you can do it. Okay, now let's minimize it, and in the diagram it is giving me this type of an output. Okay, so like that. Or if I say ChatGPT, if I say to the ChatGPT, build a nav bar for me in HTML and CSS and little bit interactivity with JavaScript, and let's see the output of ChatGPT. So it is giving me the it has start to build me the responsive navbar with built-in HTML and CSS. Here it is start to building me. You can see it one responsive navbar. You can see it. It is giving me the, first of all it give me the HTML code. So let's copy the HTML code and let me paste it, and let me write it style, paste it, and then it is giving me very big, very much code of a CSS. So let's copy it. So let's paste our CSS code, and now let's paste our JavaScript code, and it is also telling me how it works. So now paste it, save, and then run. So you can see it is giving me like this, and when I click it, so it is opening like this. Okay, it is looking very beautiful, but you will be started also. Okay, so you can see if I say ChatGPT build a one e-commerce website in HTML and CSS. Beautiful. So let's see it build it or not. Okay, now it is telling me the base. It is only giving me the basic structure, not very big e-commerce website. It only give me the basic structure. Okay, so it is started giving me, okay, but it give you very okay. So you can see it is starting giving me. It is giving me the product also, and it is adding a button. Okay, it give me only the structure. Okay, very basic structure, because in the paid version of ChatGPT it will do it, but not in this version. Okay, So I am writing here a style in which I write our CSS code, which it is giving me. Okay, here you can see it is giving me, okay, it is giving me very much more code. Okay, so now it is giving me the code. Okay, it is giving me many much code of CSS. Okay, so let's paste this code. So it give me 203 codes. So let's save it and then run it. So you can see it. It building me beautiful, very beautiful structure of the very beautiful structure of the e-commerce website. Here you can see it. It is hovering. It is add to cart button is hovering, and here you add your product and shop now. And there is the navbar has been also becoming like this, and it is also be responsive. Not, it will not be responsive. Okay, but it gives me very beautiful structure of the e-commerce website. You can say like that you can save your time using the ChatGPT 3.5. Okay, so now in the upcoming videos I told you about many things about upcoming 2 videos I told you about the many things about ChatGPT 3.5. So then about the coding. So here you can see in today's video we talk about ChatGPT 3.5, what is the coding. So if you enjoy this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also remember about these type of videos of the ChatGPT 3.5 means the generative AI. And then you only want to do it, come on it to the code with PK, and then click onto the code with PK YouTube, and then when you click on it, so click onto the videos, and then click onto the shorts, and I upload the shorts, so see that short also, and come onto the playlist, and then come onto the generative AI roadmap playlist, and here I completed many videos of the generative AI, so please go and see it also. We completed 22 videos of it, so please go and see it. And we are very near to 150 views on my playlist, so please complete it very fast. And now I meet you next class and next very amazing like that type of videos of the generative AI. But anyways, so now I give the outro of this video in the bigger screen. So let's move on to the bigger screen and let's give the outro of this very beautiful video. And if you enjoy this video, so please like. Okay, so let's give the outro of this video. You should start learning artificial intelligence right now. Whether you want to impress your friends, become the next tech genius, or just know what all the fuss is about, AI is the way to go. It's not just the future, it's happening now. So why not get ahead of the curve? If you are excited about AI, make sure to like, share and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep exploring the world of tech together, and remember, in the world of AI there is always more to learn. So now for today, goodbye.